Does this look familiar? That was me once, tired of losing money because of emotional decisions, stuck in an endless loop of trading lessons that don't seem to help. Are you there too? Frustrated, overwhelmed, and searching for answers? Well, I have found the answer. Let me share the game changing secret that transformed my trading. Stay tuned, because this could be the breakthrough you have been waiting for. Meet your new trading buddy, ChatGPT. Imagine having a partner 24/7 who helps you stay accountable, crush emotional decisions, and stick to your plan. Sounds amazing, right? Keep watching, because I will show you exactly how to set it up and use it like a pro. A quick disclaimer before we continue: this video is created for educational purposes only. Let's face it, trading is tough. We have all faced FOMO, made emotional trades, or strayed from our strategy. But what if you had a buddy who is always there to keep you focused and disciplined? With ChatGPT's voice mode, it's like having your personal trading coach available 24/7. Stick around to learn how to set it up, how to explain your strategy, and how to master the markets with discipline and clarity. First thing first, getting started is easy. Visit chatgpt.com to sign up. Once you are logged in, access the voice mode in the app. In just minutes, you'll be ready to supercharge your trading sessions. Here is where the magic begins: teaching ChatGPT your trading strategy. Share your rules and conditions, like your time frame, whether you're trading 1 minute chart, 5 minute, or 15-minute chart. Share information about trading instruments like US 30, NASDAQ, or any other currency pair. Provide details regarding your trade entry and exit, like such as if you're using trading indicators like moving average and RSI is above 50, then you take buy entry. Here's an example. Like, I trade the NASDAQ on a 5 minute chart during the New York session. I look for RSI divergence with EMA pullbacks. I exit the buy trade when price closes below EMA 8. The more detailed information you'll share with ChatGPT, the better it will work. But don't stop there. Brainstorm with ChatGPT to refine your strategy. Ask questions like, how can I improve my consistency? It's like having a brainstorming sessions with a personal coach. So now let's make ChatGPT your go-to trading buddy. Share your session details and trading rules for maximum precisions. Trading session and time frame. So let's start with the trading session. You may get into the habit of trading anytime you feel like, and you don't have any control over it. But in terms of profitability, you may have noticed that New York session works best for you. You'll share with ChatGPT that you will only trade New York session and ask it to warn you if you are starting to take trade in any other session. Next is pre-trade checklist. Before taking trade, share the trading conditions with ChatGPT. Like, currently RSI is below 50, but price is above EMA 50, and you're planning to take buy trade. And ChatGPT should validate this entry against your trading rules and confirm if this is a valid trade. In this case, RSI is below 50 and it is not a valid setup. So ChatGPT should let you know that this is not a valid setup according to trading rules. Most of the time, when we try to take trades due to FOMO or greed by ignoring the trading rules, then we just need a partner who can stop us from taking those losing trades. So in this case, ChatGPT will do the job effectively. The only thing is we need to be constantly communicating with it. Next item is news reminders. So sometimes we forget about any major upcoming news event and take a trade which could result in a bigger loss due to market volatility. You can use ChatGPT to remind you for any news event. For example, you can say, remind me at 8:58 a.m. about the consumer confidence report. It's that simple. We have all been tempted to overtrade, right? Here's the fix. Set daily profit and loss limits. Also define number of trades that you're going to take. Share this information with ChatGPT. For example, set the daily loss limit to $600 and profit target to $1,200. Also set maximum daily trades to 5 or any other numbers that you like. ChatGPT will remind you when you hit those limits, helping you stay disciplined and avoid emotional decisions. Next item is accountability. So, after taking a loss, if you get the temptation to immediately enter in another trade to recover your loss, then tell ChatGPT first and share the reason of entering this trade, like emotions, greed, etc. ChatGPT will remind you of your plan and will help you avoid taking emotional decisions. The next thing is journaling your trades. So, consistency is key, and journaling is your secret weapon. Ask ChatGPT to remind you to journal every trade. You can use number of fields to track, such as trade entry time, trading direction like buy or sell, trading rules like you're using like moving averages and RSI. So you can list those like this, like moving averages alignment, RSI value. Let's say for buy, you're taking like a value above 50, sell for below 50. So you can enter it into your journal tracker. Position size, mental state, trade exit time, result, amount. It could be anything. Ready to transform your trading journey? Start using ChatGPT as your voice powered trading buddy today. No more FOMO, no more emotional trades, just discipline, focus, and success. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.